I know. Don't distract the driver. You know the rules. You know the rules. I wanted to get a photo of us.
Alright.
No.
What?
See if I actually took. Yep.
Did you get it?
Yep. Oh well. I can't wait to tell Dylan what I saw at Beamish and he missed out on it.
I know. Great, innit? On his birthday as well.
Yeah. I got to see our trolley bus and a few aircliff buses.
Yeah.
Have you ever been in it up top Tram?
No. I have now though.
What?
I have now though. Workman in the road.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. You're not supposed to talk.
Yeah, you are.
Oh.
I don't give a shit. I think it was this one we wanted to be on.
I don't know.
Do I?
There's somewhere about. Plus the fairground's not a far walk from the. Yeah, I know.
That's where we go on.
Yeah, just having a few meals and some pools.
God, I managed to get to you.
I know.
I want to go on the carousel.
You are literally a child.
Get on the carousel, we'll get on. Is it even open?
I don't think so.
Before you me on the carousel. This is where we want to go.
Yeah, for the tea rooms and all that.
We want that. That one as well, don't we? What? With the trains. Move, or you're going to get run over.
Move!
Move!
Move! Get out the tram tracks.
Get out of the road! Right. Meep, meep.
God, you just sound like the thing.
Road runner.
Yeah.
I always do. Meep, meep. Meep, meep, meep.
No, it's ding ding ding.
Meep, meep, meep.
No, it's ding ding ding. That's what that's.
Ding, ding, ding.
Yes,
Meep,
it
meep,
is.
meep.
Shut up. What sound does a tram make?
Ding, ding, ding.
Yeah.
Armstrong. We've got Margaret Armstrong.
Mum, stop being a prat.
Chuck Cowie.
Shut your cow. Bag. Well, there's that Seaburn one again.
Oh, yeah.
Sure that's stalking me.
It is? I'll have to go on it like
There we go.